What's up with the whales dumping crypto? I'm your host, Coin Central. I'm here all the time when I'm sleeping, when I'm eating. And if that's something you're interested in, be sure to smash that like button because I am making crypto videos every single day for as long as people keep watching. As long as YouTube is alive, I'm going to make crypto videos. I'm not stopping, guys. I didn't hear no bell. Crypto is not stopping at all. So if that's something you guys are interested in, smash that like button. It does seem like we have a lot of awesome updates today, so that's gonna be pretty cool. But that being said, it does seem like we have some cool news today. So that's pretty good news overall. That's something we have been waiting for some time. But again, let's jump right into the crypto news. I hope you're all having a good day. There is a lot of opportunities in that sense that long-term crypto will prevail. Long-term crypto will win. And I definitely want to see more opportunities
Ethereum
like
get
that.
their Chronos, their Shiba Inu, their XRP into the whale wallets. Are you gonna let them have it? This is when the early floaters come in and say, "Ha ha! I told you." But hey,
So yeah, like everyone saw the big pumps, but nobody's staying around at the big dumps. I think that's the biggest problem right now. Like nobody is gonna stay when the bumps are coming in. So they all just stay when the dumps are coming. And I think that's the biggest problem I'm seeing in crypto right now is a lot of people start really forgetting about crypto or what will happen. And that's definitely concerning, right? That's definitely very problematic. But it's not that big of a problem in a long-term sense. So if you guys want to be kept up more to date with content like this as well, you know what to do. Smash that like button because we are going to be seeing more crypto news, crypto drops, crypto price rises. So definitely a lot of things happening right now. But that being said, I am definitely really excited to see crypto's next bull run.
I can buy $42,000 Bitcoin. I can buy cheaper Chronos, cheaper XRP, cheaper everything. You know what's the good thing? Take a look at the price market cap, 1.73 trillion still. I'll take it, guys, and we're still bullish.
So yeah, still a lot of whales are bullish, even if the sell-off is happening. I think it was much expected because the whales selling off is something that just ends up happening in crypto, right? This is pretty normal in that sense. We are always seeing something like that, and I'm not really too surprised. Like the whales selling off, dumping 200 million. We saw Katie Wood sell right just before the ETF listing. If you didn't know, basically she sold just before, just at the start of crypto price bumps, and I think that was the biggest problem for a lot of these cryptocurrencies, where the problem arose, where a lot of people were frustrated with, and I do feel like there is gonna be more crypto markets increasing, more crypto price bumps, all of that. So when you look at the long-term aspect, when you look at all the pumps this had, $4,000 of Bitcoin or whatever it was is completely nothing.
Make you doubt that it's gonna get approved like this. Take a look at this. The move has shocked the entire market industry. Bitcoin falling from the market in just 4 hours, which indeed it was 1 hour. Indeed, the asset has dropped due to the spot Bitcoin ETF rejection concerns. And I mentioned that if by any chance we get a rejection, that will be the biggest news for me because it will drop, but you can buy cheaper. That's the only thing I see at everybody.
So yeah, exactly. The dips are still here. If you still believe in crypto, there's probably only going to be good news happening in that sense. There's really no bad news in that way. So that's something I'm really excited for.
Rejection or approval is still bullish for me because I buy cheaper. I want to. Specifically, it has fallen as much as 9%. Correct. Financial Services this recently released a report anticipating a Bitcoin ETF rejection across the board. So they're saying is, are we going to have rejections? That's what they're trying to imply. Why the SEC will reject spot Bitcoin ETFs again. It was posted yesterday, and well, here it is. If whales
Exactly. So we might be seeing some sort of a retractment but I'm not too worried about that in the long-term sense. It's something we have been waiting for, actually, in that way. Like the Bitcoin spot ETF drop was kind of expected as well.
Are listening to this, well, there might be some speculation negatively. And there you go. That's one of the reasons. It was published today, and that could be why we see some of the volatility. Because
Exactly, why the SEC will reject Bitcoin spot ETFs again. So this is like a very long list. I'm not going to go into that, but Whales probably saw that, got worried, and said, okay, I'm going to sell everything. So there you have it, the full video of everything that's going on, everything that's happening. If that's something you want to be kept up to date in, smash that like button, and I will keep you updated with more awesome content like this, because there is a lot of content today. There is going to be probably more content in crypto happening in the next few days. And I am definitely very excited. Till next time, peace everyone. What's up with BNB's major price bump? Welcome back to another video. This time, BNB is actually seeing the increase when everyone else is seeing the drop, which is weird. But not that weird. They paid like $4 billion, which is chump change for them, as I said. And now they're back. They're back in a good way. BNB is doing well. And it's seeing those price increases. Now, I do love to see that. I do want to see more of BNB price growth. But look at this. After paying its fine, I thought it will get more regulated. But now that the SEC lawsuit is over, bam, you paid the fee. BNB probably is getting bought up either by Whales or by the Binance Exchange themselves, or most likely, and I'm not saying that they're doing that, most likely both. And this is absolutely incredible because I think BNB has long-term potential. I'm not holding much of BNB myself, but welcome back to my channel. This is my crypto journey. And if you're interested on my channel, how to enter the crypto spaces, and I discovered crypto. Look at this. Solana and BNB are almost the same price growth. Avalanche, as I predicted, is the same. ICP 200%. Terra Luna Classic not doing that great. But our eyes are on BNB right now. It's a number 4 spot, and it's not settling down. And I think it's undervalued. I honestly think it's undervalued. I think gas fees are going to be the biggest problem of 2024. Who's going to solve the biggest gas fees for 2024? Probably Avalanche. Probably other tokens like that. And that's where I think is the huge potential. Like Avalanche, all of these tokens, they really have the major improvement in that sense. So that's something I'm really excited for. I think this is where the biggest potential is. That they can solve these gas fees. BNB gas fees like 30 cents. Ethereum is like $9, and we're going to be having to wait a whole year before we see something like that. And I'm kind of worried. I'm kind of worried about that. But we do have some great news coming, basically, for crypto. And that is that crypto over time, over the long run, might be actually seeing some major price runs in Q2. If the Bitcoin ETFs don't happen in January, I think a lot of whales will sell, and the technology will still be built for BNB. So everyone invested in BNB will win in the end, and I think that's the victory here. Like, everyone with the BNB army, the whales are coming back. They're not afraid of regulation anymore. So BNB kind of returned, guys. It's still not at all-time high, but no crypto is. But it definitely has the chance to hit at least $500. As long as the whales keep buying it again. From Asian markets, like the whales are buying from everywhere, basically. So that's pretty cool. I feel like this is just the start, the big beginning of crypto for now. But that being said, does seem like we have tons of opportunities in the crypto markets today. If that's something you're interested in, smash that like button as well. Until next time, peace everyone. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about what exactly is happening with crypto today, and that is a very important update we have. And right now, Ethereum got a huge upgrade, but with ETFs most likely being delayed, I don't know if there's going to be delayed or not by the time this news is out. Crypto could fall, and Ethereum, while it does have massive upgrades, these upgrades might take a while. They might take a year at this point. And I'm exploring crypto. If you're on this crypto journey, I'm making 12 videos a day. If it's crypto goes up, down, I don't care. I make videos about it. So if that's something you're interested in, I'm here. I'm going to talk about everything happening. I'm discovering my crypto journey. And if you want to join me, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. So let's talk about today what exactly goes on in the mind of the Ethereum holders. Should you be worried? Should you sell all your Ethereum and end up like getting that staking reward because BNB and Solana are growing? No. But if we look at the market cap over here, XRP, Solana, BNB, all are blockchain, even Cardano, Avalanche too, and they all have a bigger potential to see price growths. This is where I'm really worried. To see Ethereum's price rise, we need a spot ETF. I definitely think Ethereum can hit a market cap of 1 trillion. But to see that excitement again, Ethereum has to release something crazy. And really, it released a roadmap that nobody really understood, to be honest. We had to watch like YouTube videos to have an explanation. That's something I explained on my channel. If you want to, guys, go watch that after this video. But the reason with Ethereum, the biggest problem is it has potential, but there's like, let's take a look at back at 2018, 2017 for Ethereum. Why Ethereum really grew that much here, $1,100. I mean, people would call it crazy at that price, right? But there is a very clear indicator why it was that much, and that is for a very, very simple reason, and that is because there was no other cryptocurrency that had this type of blockchain. So let's take a look at 2016. It even had 2017 had $46, 262 billion trading volume. Now it has about 12 billion, right? So Ethereum not going away as people expect, but the issue is here with Ethereum right now is that most people, they just don't seem to understand it. Like, they don't seem to understand there's tons of competition now coming for Ethereum like Solana. And yeah, Solana doesn't mean it will like beat Ethereum. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. But it could be that Ethereum has to really step up. The developers, you know, are like developing stuff. But with Tron, Polygon, Chainlink, Tron has been like a competitor to Ethereum for some time. Like Polygon is down 11%. I'm really worried if these blockchains will survive. Like some of these blockchains might fade away. I think Caspa has a lot of potential. There's rumor one of the Bitcoin devs is actually working on it. So Caspa even entered the market. So many cryptos enter the market. Really, like, where does it stop? Probably does not stop. That's the biggest issue that I'm seeing. But that being said, I do think there's going to be more potential for the crypto stuff we have right now. There's more opportunities arising in that sense. There's going to be more crypto projects, just like these blockchains. Solana is VC backed. Ethereum has the one advantage that is being early, but it also has those high gas fees that keep a lot of people buying other tokens. Like if someone bought $100 of BNB, they would have paid gas fee. But if they bought $100 of Ethereum, they would end up buying, unless they hold it on exchange, they would like pay $6 for every transaction, which is like 6% if you have a small wallet. So I think a lot of crypto holders, they don't have a lot of cash. If you're a whale, you don't care about paying $6 or $60 for a 10K transaction. But if you're buying BNB, you're not going to be complaining at all. And I think this is the big issue that arises for a lot of these cryptos, that most people will not stay around in that sense in the long term if they keep seeing these high gas fees. And I've been talking about this channel about high gas fees, complaining about them. I think the leaders, because they're growing so much, like Solana and others, are growing this fast because they can have like a massive community very fast. But let's smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated. Bitcoin could be seeing some price drops, so keep tuned for that. You can see probably I'm really tired. That's because I'm making 12 videos a day. And if you like content like this, you know how to support me. Smash that like button. This is how the content creators can eat, by smashing that like button. But jokes aside, there is going to be probably a lot more opportunities in this crypto space. That's something you're interested in. Smash that like.